Hello there, Jennifer Burns here today. I am so excited to talk to you about North Coast seafoods today. Absolutely one of my favorites, fresh, pure seafood shipped straight to your door. We are talking shrimp today, but let me tell you, this company has been around family owned for 65 years. They've been supplying the finest restaurants and retailers across the country with their delicious and pure seafood. They have a state-of-the-art flash freezing process that locks in the freshness, the texture, and the flavor. Okay, it's almost Memorial Day. What are you grilling up? I have a great idea for you. How about some shrimp kebabs and some swordfish? Something different, a crowd pleaser. With the naked shrimp, there is no chemicals and no water added, which is a common issue with shrimp. I promise you, you're gonna taste the difference. What's so fun is they come, like I said, in the 1-pound bags, both raw and cooked. Now, I love to have a bag of each of them on hand at all times because it's so great for something like the kebabs to be able to throw on the grill or even a grill pan, but to have the cooked shrimp ready to go, and it comes deveined and already peeled, so they're saving you all of the work. But what if somebody comes over unexpected? You want to have kind of a fancy and a fun appetizer. You can quickly defrost their already cooked shrimp, put out some delicious cocktail sauce, and you are good to go. It's so simple to do just some shrimp skewers. You're just gonna take some skewers and you're just gonna take that shrimp and you're just gonna thread it through. There we go, those are good to go. A little bit of oil and some simple seasoning, but they're so simple to, of course, throw on the grill. That's what Memorial Day is all about. Grilling up, oh, this looks so good. They're so tender, just melt in your mouth. Now make sure you go to northcoastseafoods.com, order up some of their delicious fresh seafood products that can be shipped next day to your home. It's the perfect way to take your Memorial Day grilling to the next level.